Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to start a post on your in your group on the linkedin.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your home page by tapping on this home button at the top of the screen. And after that, go to the left side of the screen and tap on groups. Select your group in the your group section. Scroll down until you find a start a post in this group bar. Tap on it. And then you should type in the text of your group, the post. And here you can see that you can add emojis. You can insert pictures, videos, files, and so on. And here you can select whether you would like to allow comments for this post. So tap on either on or off. Then click on the save button and tap on post down below so your text will be posted. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.